Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to adjust eye protection screen color on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to display and brightness. In display and brightness, okay, go to eye protection. And okay guys, here in eye protection, below you can see the screen color adjustment. And okay guys, so okay, we can try to enable the eye protection and adjust the screen color. Okay, you can adjust to the left to call the eye protection. And you can adjust to the right to warm the eye protection. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.